Good afternoon, Commissioner.
Good afternoon, brother.
We don't carry waka committee today. You know, say that we be TMC TV radio. We say we dey do some ogbonge publicity for Edo State and beyond. And our radio and TV don't dey hear about you well. And thank God say you invite us this morning. We can follow you. Go for small waka we concern Edo development and Edo Road. I say make I salute you. Make you tell people your name and your ministry where you represent.
My people are well done. My name is Uzamere. I represent the Ministry of Roads and Bridges for Edo State.
Tell Edo people how they work carriage for the bridge and the road when they do since when you enter this office as the Commissioner for Roads and Bridges.
Okay, so far since I enter, I don't try to make sure say all the contractors go back on site. Also, we improve the monitoring as we monitor them, what they do. We don't also review everything what they do to make sure say the design good, so make the road last well. Then also, as you know, say I entered the ministry when ready for well. So we use that time to check where things like flood there, because for every road problem, na water. Because na water they spoil road. And na water they make, even if you do road, it will be like say you not do road. So that are the first thing say, okay, we try to do to see how we want to solve most of the problem. Before we don't work on the stormwater project. So now to say, okay, how even they do road, how will we link all the road to any water project we will get to show, say, make sure the roads they flood, say, any flood don't go there when rain they fall.
Okay, you don't talk about water, you don't talk about road, you don't talk about waiting they spoil the road. Not be only water now they spoil this road over they see. Make I use one do example for you. You get one popular road where we say this like government house area, they call them Agbor. That road don't bad for some time now. And I could remember say state government don't go work for that road. And because I say tipper where they carry all this truck where they carry sand. And that road that they pass enter boundary road all the time. They go place like Yekokba, Irere and the rest. Water not be the main thing with the square road where we believe. Now big trucks with the manage road. Why not stop these trucks?
Water be the main thing with the square road.
Okay.
But also the way they design road for inside city, not supposed to take some heavy truck with the pass. So we know the talk say those ones not the square road, but we don't already start some what they call policy. We don't put some policy in place to how to regulate the trucks when they enter inside this road. So most of them now you go see when we don't pass for house for assembly, most of the trucks will go they enter road not go too heavy. They must get something to call way bridge, which is the way the truck will they pass our road. Then we go make our road last better.
Oh yeah, make we carry waka enter where we waka reach today. Make we really talk about that place. Now I carry us enter this interview. You carry us go Bow. One popular road those days when we did school, the year on 19th Street for inside BDPA. We can extend enter some of those areas where not come be 19th Street, it can be community area where they build houses. You carry us enter 19th Street down to Onre and Dolor Road where they meet each other. If you tell the people how they walk for that road and where the water they carry from that place, where they go.
That road first, I will explain. That road is a very what you call strategic road, because that road the link, we feel link between Ugbo side to Ekenwa.
Yes.
So we will give people what you call alternative routes to go to different major roads, and that one is one of the direction of this government to say, okay, how we want to create alternative road. As we do the road, first they don't design them. The design don't come before I even come. And they design the road very well, because the road they link to a bigger project we call the stormwater project. So but as we don't see how the road they go, we obviously see many people even build on the road. You still say when we did it, we see a few houses we even build on the road, we even affect the road. And this is one of the issues we see say for most places, because of maybe lack of enforcement, people just build anyhow without plan. And those kind of things too, now they cause bigger flood. You see, when the colonial time, when they designed Benin was one of the best designed place, because all those moats they be natural water collection center, and the way they supposed to design and say every road should at least link to those roads. So if water they fall, you know go see them. When they grow, we know most of our road not get gutter. Yes. Now which they call edge road, but you see, say they even some place where edge road they last if they get where water they go. I don't know if you notice that thing.
Yes.
So when people come they build anyhow, they go build on top of what they call water, where water they move go. If you come the water come they go they accumulate, they go they spoil road more. So that's why I talk say most of the things we don't do for this administration are proper planning. So how we want to do and work to make it last longer.
The 90 street matter, we see some rings we don't do.
Yes.
Now some day we still put for the road one I never use. Some day when I don't put for ground. And if you tell people they wonder, wait till make the deep cut ground reach like 6 feet, 7 feet, 5 feet. Wait till they create inside because what we see here today, this morning, we discover say when they get plan for walkway, now they get plan for side rain. That one of the people for side ground, what it be?
So those side rain they link into those ones with the inside ground. So where water will the pass enter go to the storm water. If you look at the build roads long time ago, like all those them Akpabava and all that years ago in the 70s and the 60s, now so they build road to make sure say water not there on top. And what we find say to even do those kind of drains under the ground, it is easier to maintain and it will last long because it go, before person go enter under that drain they had. So what we go also to say we want even partner with the local government to say they go they maintain those drains. So we call the city the cleaner because those are the issues say we not cleaner, but it did better to carry those drains under there so we could make the road last longer.
Okay, we observed one thing this morning. Some of the adjoining streets, Kotano Day.
Yes.
If we not do this because it gets where the matter reach, the road can be tiny because of the buildings where they road. Now, the adjoining streets, erosion they come from the adjoining streets, and this thing they bring sand. They come. Which plans we get for those areas?
So what we go do? We go most of those adjoining streets. We go do one small, we walk small, enter maybe like 20 meters inside small. But waiting go happen. Say those are maybe if they dey inside our plan. Say eventually those roads they go walk. We go do one, but you need to understand, say road construction, it is very expensive. So we must do the major one, then we're going to do the small streets eventually.
Okay, make we carry waka enter the main place where we say this 90th street, you go hit one road, they come from Adolo. Yes. This road can go on, now come cross them again. Now cross and go down. The process of crossing it down, I need to divert to a corner and go like this. That house where they the junction, I want to see where the church, one church, I don't want to call the name.
What we will do, we will carry our physical planning team. We will still go look that place to see how we want take care of that place because the most important thing is say, if you go build house where you don't get plan, we need to consider and talk with whom we want to because the community they very very important than one building. And also for the road to last long. It is very important to say, okay, see this. If this house, if it stay on our drain line, we go see how we want to say maybe we'll remove some part of the place, make it on. We will do them again.
Okay.
But it is very important. Say we need to go there, do our proper design. We not they will chant anybody. Now, what you call, when people they enter inside community, we just build. Down at the things where they suffer. Even if you look some other houses for the road, you see say some people build their house lower than the road. So we just try to say how we want to even save some of those houses, but which is more important, say how we want to make sure say the road will do well and it will last long.
Okay, that place where we were carried this morning, it can't be the end of the road. We can't jam out. So when I carry this water, because the heavy water where they come from Ugbo will not be here. And the one where they come from the adjoining street comes to join them, not be here. Now that moat, the place will set to put, or where they go from there.
So the water will enter inside that moat. Then from the other end of the moat, we can't link the water enter the storm water.
Near there?
Near there, for the back. So even our team will still go there again tomorrow morning to see how we want to enter the moat to see how we want to make sure say the water will go where the water is supposed to go.
That's the water storm project.
Yes.
You will reach there.
Yes.
You will carry all the water.
You will carry all the water.
Okay, more carry water enter this Adolo Road. We see the side drain zone and the side drain zone and they do for that place. And they very wide. But that place they go Welu direction, Welu's Peppers direction.
Yes.
And at that place we discover say then the past government will be so inherit so don't put water storm project for that market area where they go safe to Yekoba and all that. Now you feel like to do people know apart from Yekoba River where water storm projects face, which other area will feel link to come join this?
No, we won't link every area. The plan say we will link every area. To different places where we water day for Benin, for Edo in general. So with that we can help our erosion issue. Waiting the excellency can do, so we can create one agency called FUMA. Initially, now one World Bank company we start the water storm project called New Map. Now we don't get our own flood management agency. So waiting we don't do now for this administration, say like for instance I inherit this office, say any road we do the design, we may make sure say we carry them follow body to say okay the plan we you get for erosion, we need to link our road to one. So we not just walk by ourselves like saying a road we just do, because we need to carry our Ministry of Environment come. We need to carry our flood agency, we will help us with flood management, and we also need to carry the local governments, because now the local government they closer to the people. Then if we go, they help us even to maintain all these issues.
Okay, see what they talk about. So partnering with local government. The area where they now got local government.
Yes.
You never enter over here. You got local government now today. So
yes.
Now, make we carry what enter that Edo Road junction and the service lane the way it be, because state government ain't do that service lane.
Yes.
The place bad road. What you gonna feature plan?
No, we'll go back and revisit that place, because say 19th Street is a very long project.
Yes.
Because of you see say as we walk, even rain fall at the end of November, rain fall. That's one reason why we stop, we come out for there. The projects even come out for even our able to be design what we do.
Okay.
So we go there, rehabilitate all those places. Construction is something that is always it's supposed to be day ongoing. Not be say you could just do and you come out. We need to have normal frequent maintenance of everything we would do.
Now maybe we carry waka come for Ogbo side, because the major problem we face now that Agbor Road, before we enter the main Agbor Road, make we come slope by DVD filling station there.
Yes.
We still reach there this morning. We see what they there and the traffic problem where they come every morning. What is the government get for mind to do for that place where gone where we stand today?
So what we will do for that place now to clean out the drain, because we see that the drain and the cause problem. The drain we don't deal with it cause silted. So waiting the important, we'll first clean out the drain. Then we'll come do small palliative work on that quota area where they cause problem, because we notice for that small problem now, it cause big traffic for there. People they spend hours there just because of one small problem. So we will clean out the drain. After we clean out the drain, we'll come try to do some palliative work on that side.
No, not leave for federal government this time, because now it's not federal government road.
We do, say road for me, road matter, not be matter where you used to play politics. Yes, now federal government road, everybody know. But we need to put, say, okay, our citizens, our people within inside the state, and then they suffer. So if you see, say, even further down Agbor Road, say we do the palliative work, and even when we did there, we monitor the work we do. We see the federal government people there too. They go see after we don't do our palliative, we don't finish our palliative work, finish. They go still come do some work for their own too, because like we have talked before, road business is very very expensive now.
Yes.
States no fit manage all the road problem. So the ones who be federal, go say make federal do one. But the one where the state will fit doing a small palliative, go say we do this one too by ourselves.
My people, I not go say I not go fit thank Mr. Governor and the government. Even though area where they not do well, I dey talk am. Area where government they do well, I will still talk am. Now I go remember one time where we say to come from Asaba Onitsha area on that east, reach Benin, to come say you want reach Ring Road, it go take hours. But when we carry waka enter this place today, I say motor they pass this place without hold up again, and everything they go well. Where we see government they do well, now know us well, we go criticize them. Where they do well, we go thank them, we go praise them. Wait till we see here today. Governor by himself go do pour chuka for that place. The commissioner here, we don't go there one time. We see one place where we say erosion they way deep. Commissioner will talk about that place today. The future plans where they get, if not to partner with federal government, we'll carry out it. We just make we thank Mr. Governor, we thank the government for the small thing where they do for that place, where it's all big things. So, Commissioner, what you gonna plans for that place? Where we enter this morning? I wanna get the plans.
For which of the place?
For this Agbor Road to bypass that place where if I visit the last time, that deep place. We say as soon as I don't do palliative for that place, more to the even speed pass. And they use J2, J3 till they pass there now. How can I reach here and what you gonna plans when I get with the federal government on that? To work together before they enter bypass, we will enter just now.
Okay, for that place at least we know when we go there before. You see how the place deep. So like I talked before, the governor, the people they suffer. I mean, people they pass that place. It takes like overnight they go stay for there. So we just do palliative work for that place now. So we fill them up. People will call hardcore and everything inside to make sure that the road is very passable. But those things are what they call short-term solution. A long-term solution need today. So we don't see partner. The federal government will still come. We'll still do some which they call some drainage work there. we will use the middle part of that road to open what you call median drain to link the water somewhere to make sure say the road will last long. So now waiting will go. That one is the next step after waiting we don't do now.
And as state government, now be this one.
For the drain now, the federal government will do the drain. But for the palliative work, the road still don't do one.
As you promise the people, so they don't worry. People, yes. And they come back again.
Yes.
Make we climb up Ogoyos and make we talk about that place. Azagba and all that quarter. What is state government? What is go fit help people for that place?
So as you want to say we come out for there now, say like government will come out for there. You see, say we don't get machine there they work. Within the contractor for there don't do, say they don't close one lane, they go work on one lane. Before now, in the next 2 weeks, they will open the other one, work on now. We will use what you call concrete technology to do one, to make sure say at least the road lasts long. We also see issues like maybe even trailer will even fall for ground self.
Yes.
So we need to find a way to take that trailer come up for there, so make the contractor work well. And like I talked before, you see us we did, the people now they suffer around. People want to see say the thing they work. The states will not free afford to do the big major work, so they need to come work with us to say okay, make sure say that place they passable. At least we will guarantee say at least before Christmas that place, the bypass that barrier place will be very smooth.
All this big work they talk from Ugbo or this place. Rain not go meet us for that place next year.
We did there today now. Rain meet us. So waiting we don't try to do that to change what we call our project style as we work. We don't also change our technology. So like for instance now we use more of sharp sound and light track like before. If you have many things we do to try to change, say rainy season, contractor will finish work. If you go around now, you see all the contractors there, all of them don't come back on site.
Yes.
The only ones who never go back on site are the ones who we don't blacklist some, because we see some contractors not really sabi the work. And road work not be for children, not for people who really sabi work. So we don't identify the ones who don't sabi work. We push them so at least they'll meet and go back on site.
This one day will be say for your back, we work out this community. And this community with the look, about 16 communities 9 days inside that road they go.
Which community?
Uteh community to the other communities where I don't want to give their name. Would calculate the communities that they will get like 16. The road where they carry, the 2 roads where they carry motor, human beings they go that area, a bad way, especially this rainy season. We could play all the video for you. You go see them. What even a plans for Uteh community area?
And we don't
permission.
Yes, we don't go there. So we get one project around the what they call Temboga project.
Yes.
Where you see the contractor they work there. Maybe when next we go call them and we go there together. You will see the contractor will go there. But the contractor don't go look that road to see okay how one add on to a work to make sure say it work, because like I said before, in a very very long road. We don't go there a few times. I just say if you go there interview the community, they'll tell you when we don't go there.
Yes.
So we need to add that road to the contractor where they work for the Temboga area, because the Temboga area they very close to that street we dey talk. So.
Well, we go give you time when you used to tell people how now they work for Edo State for this dry season, how now ready, and places where we say we never reach, where so now don't they work, now don't work and finish, now get for mind to work in future.
Okay. My people, I'm like thankful now. I know say things not easy for everybody. One thing we know say. First, government not fit do all the road we there do, but at least make sure say we show presence everywhere. One of the issues we will get is because of the economy as it be now. Since the past 1 year, everything don't double. I mean, all of us they streets we see say if you go market, everything don't even double. So it also they affect contractors, because contractors they be businessmen too. They get their business. So we try to see how we want at least manage resources to take on to what you call more strategic roads and big road. And also we put a lot of plans together, so even future government will know how to even do some roads to come decide waiting be their priority of roads they do. We not only the work for Benin, we the work for Edo North, we work for Edo Central, and almost every local government for Edo as we speak. So everybody we know say road they very very important to the people, and we just plead with them, say make they exercise patience. And if they enter road, we will see at least our people there everywhere. We try to do the best we can, and we will do the best we can for this administration.
Commissioner, thank you very much. We don't sit down with you. You don't talk to Edo people.
Thank you.
We will still let you know area when I never reach when it be say the people not they happy. And this government are for everybody.
Yes.
And I know say Mr. Governor, the little when I know about Mr. Governor, he love Edo people and he ready work for them. Though some areas they will be say in never even reach there. Some areas they now will be say in don't hear. But with the way things don't hard, no say now they slow some things. But this dry season and this last time when you get for the government to, I believe they will do more things. My people, I say, look, I salute you now. When I don't listen to us well, we don't dey talk with Commissioner Uzamere. He don't took mouth for so many areas where they don't work, where they intend to work in future, and where they don't work since. We don't talk about 19th Street. You know, say 19th Street a popular place for Ogbo, where we say everybody, they always talk about 19th Street. Say, I wish they do them or they do them, now escape route from that place to Ekenwan Road and to other areas where we to do Siloko Road, Ego area and all that, which if you serve other areas. And we work out go there today, we consider and say, Edo State government, Edo State governor also, they work for that place. And my people now know say, as we see them, that's what we talk about. We know they collect blame at all. We know they do side and also for all these things. Say we see the truth. We know they talk about because me and my team and my company and our company, we stand for the truth. We stand for better Edo. We stand for better Nigeria. My name still remains Ege No Sakari. I salute you.